I am not gonna waste your time. Here is a no BS list of 18 Looksmaxing secrets you can follow to instantly elevate your appearance and confidence. Let's dive right in. Number 1. Upgrade your skincare routine. A glowing complexion is a game changer. Use a gentle cleanser, moisturize daily, and never skip sunscreen. Add a weekly exfoliation session to remove dead skin cells and reveal fresh, healthy skin. 2. Take creatine for muscle definition. Creatine is one of the most effective supplements for building muscle and improving your physique. A lean, toned body instantly boosts your attractiveness and confidence. 3. Consume beta-carotene-rich foods. Beta-carotene improves skin tone and gives it a natural glow. Add foods like carrots, sweet potatoes, and spinach to your diet for noticeable results. 4. Incorporate retinol at night. Retinol promotes smoother, younger-looking skin by increasing cell turnover. Start with a low concentration and gradually increase usage for best results. 5. Practice good posture. Stand tall with your shoulders back and chin up. Good posture not only makes you look more confident, but also enhances your overall presence in any room. 6. Invest in well-fitted clothes. Tailored outfits highlight your physique and make even simple pieces look expensive. Get your clothes adjusted to fit perfectly. It's worth every penny. 7. Groom your eyebrows. Well-shaped eyebrows frame your face and enhance your features. Regular grooming, whether plucking, waxing, or threading, can make a huge difference in how you look. 8. Always keep yourself hydrated. Drink plenty of water daily to keep your skin clear and glowing while improving overall health. Hydration is one of the simplest ways to look fresh and vibrant. 9. Get a haircut that suits your face shape. Your hairstyle can transform your appearance. Consult with a stylist to find the perfect cut for your face shape and maintain it regularly for a polished look. 10. Find a signature scent. A subtle yet captivating fragrance leaves a lasting impression without being overpowering. Choose a scent that reflects your personality and apply it lightly on pulse points like wrists and neck. 11. Trim nose and ear hair. Unkempt nose or ear hair can ruin an otherwise polished appearance. Keep these areas trimmed regularly for a neat, well-groomed look that shows attention to detail. 12. Smile naturally in photos. Your smile is one of the first things people notice about you. Practice smiling naturally in front of a mirror to find your best angles for photos or social interactions. 13. Switch to silk pillowcases. Silk pillowcases reduce hair breakage and prevent wrinkles while you sleep, keeping both your hair and skin looking their best over time. 14. Keep nails trimmed and clean. Neglected nails can ruin an otherwise well-groomed appearance. Trim them regularly, keep them clean, and consider using hand cream for soft, healthy hands that leave an impression of care and hygiene. 15. Hydrate your lips. Chapped lips are unattractive and uncomfortable. Use a lip balm with SPF protection to keep them soft, smooth, and protected from sun damage year-round. 16. Add cardio to your fitness routine. Cardio exercises like running or cycling improve stamina, burn fat, and enhance muscle definition, helping you achieve a leaner, more athletic physique that looks great in any outfit. 17. Ginger and garlic into your diet. Ginger and garlic have anti-inflammatory properties that promote better skin health while boosting immunity, both essential for looking vibrant and healthy. 18. Sleep on your back. Sleeping on your back minimizes facial asymmetry caused by prolonged pressure on one side of the face during side sleeping. It also reduces puffiness, prevents wrinkles, and helps maintain facial symmetry over time by avoiding contact with pillows that compress the skin. There you have it, 18 no-nonsense looksmaxing tips to help you instantly level up your appearance. Start applying these today and watch as your confidence skyrockets along with how others perceive you.